Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, who gave, and gave. Dear fellows, today topic of my presentation is absorption and adsorption. I am Naimur Rahman. My registration number is 19 NTU TE 0142. So let me move toward contents of my presentation. Introduction to the topic is my first content of my presentation. What is absorption? What is adsorption? Applications of absorption, positive and negative adsorption, isotherm for adsorption, applications of adsorption, why adsorption occur or happen, difference between absorption and adsorption. Let me move toward our first content of presentation. Introduction to the topic. It is basically surface chemistry topic. The chemistry is on surface of something called the surface chemistry. It is a branch of physical chemistry which deals with the study of solids, different interface between different fluids and solids and etc. For example, chalk on board, catalyst in fluid, and chromatography, dyeing process, also the surface chemistry topic. So adsorption is a term basically related to adsorption, or surface chemistry related to the basically adsorption topic. So what is absorption? Let me move toward what is absorption. Process in which particles move into the substance called the absorption. Or absorption is a process in which a fluid is dissolved by a liquid or solid called absorption. For example, sponge soaked into water and chalk dye.
As we know about the absorption, what is, but let me move toward the components of absorption. Here is the two components of absorption: absorbate and absorbent. Absorbent, the thing which is to be absorbed in other thing, means water in sponge, biscuit in tea, and the thing which absorbs other things called absorbent. Sponge in tea, sponge tea from a given example. So here is some types of absorption: chemical absorption and physical absorption. Chemical absorption or reactive absorption is a chemical reaction between absorbent and absorbing substance. And the physical absorption is basically the physically absorption of a substance into another substance. Example: chemical absorption is the purification of a natural gas through an adequate solution of the ethanol, and which is an acidic gas. Hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide are removed from natural air. For example, physical absorption of gases into a liquid, absorption of ammonium into a water. Here is some applications of absorption. The process of gas absorption by a liquid is used in hydrogenation of oils, carbonation of beverage, and common commercial uses of absorption are turbine inlet cooling, high efficiency of refrigerators, and absorption chiller for space cooling. Here some textile applications. Textile dyeing and finishing also use the absorption application, and cooling and atomic absorption spectrum, and also in the males for sound absorption we use a foam, we use a sponge. Here is a adsorption. What is adsorption? Adsorption is a process in which atoms, molecules and ions stick on the surface of adsorbent. There is a two components of adsorption: adsorbate and adsorbent. Adsorbate, the thing which is to be adhered, means catalyst, charge on board, and absorbent, the thing which adheres the thing on its surface, means rusting of iron and other things. Example: rusting of iron rod, the rusted particle on the adhere on the surface of, from a coat, in the form of coat. And so if we remove this coating of iron, rusted iron coating from iron, so rust is still iron. It is adsorption. Types of adsorption: physical adsorption and chemical adsorption. Physical adsorption occurs through van der Waals forces, so it is also known as physiosportion. And chemical adsorption is a chemical adsorption occurs through chemical bonding. It is also known as chemisosorption. It is a slow process. Chemical absorption is a slow process, but on the other hand, physical absorption is a fast process. Depends upon the nature of adsorbate. Physical absorption depends upon the nature of adsorbate. But on the other hand, chemical absorption depends upon the nature of absorbent and adsorbate. Both. Physical absorption, it is a multi-layered adsorption and it is a reversible process. Example: adsorption of oxalic acid on charcoal. It may be mono-layered adsorption, may be reversible or irreversible. Example: H2O adsorbate by nickel and ferric and platinum. So let me move towards classification of adsorption. On the basis of concentration, negative adsorption and positive adsorption. There are two basic classification of adsorption: negative adsorption and positive adsorption. The type of adsorption in which less adsorbate solute adhere on the surface of adsorbent. On the other hand, the positive adsorption, the type of adsorption in which more adsorbate solute adhere on the surface of adsorbent. For example, dilute KCl on the blood charcoal piece is an example of negative adsorption. And the positive adsorption example: concentrated KCl on the blood charcoal piece. Factors affecting adsorption: nature of adsorbent and adsorbate, surface area and temperature and pressure. By the nature of adsorbent and adsorbate, it matters because the polarity of both cases forces of friction between them. Surface area also, temperature and pressure. Isotherm for adsorption. Frederick aids isotherm. He gave the empirical relationship between the extent of adsorption and pressure of a gas at constant temperature. Here XOM is an extent of adsorption and P is the equilibrium pressure and K and N is the empirical content. Here is the isotherm for adsorption. Applications of adsorption. Applications of adsorption of molecules on the polymer surface is used as non-stick coating, biomedical device. Industrial uses of adsorption are adsorption chiller, synthetic resin and water purification process. And in gas mask also we use application of adsorption, and in desizing or sizing of a textile product, textile yarn For weaving, we also use the application of adsorption. Reasons for adsorption. Why adsorption occurs? For getting more stableness, surface molecule of substance get adhere with other unbalanced to balanced, unstable to stable, more energy element to less energy element becoming a less energy element, the reason of adsorption. It is evolution of heat and exothermic process. Difference between adsorption and absorption. Adsorption is a surface phenomena occur only at the surface of adsorbent, and on the other hand absorption is a bulk phenomena. But adsorption, in this phenomena, the concentration on the surface of the adsorbent is different from that in bulk. But in absorption, this phenomena, the concentration remains same throughout the material. Adsorption is a exothermic process. On the other hand, absorption is a endothermic process. It is a high beginning and decrease as equilibrium is attained. It is a rate remains the same throughout the process. So thanks very much for watching.